Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show this video how to fix memory could not be written error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error, the memory could not be written on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you need to type sfc space / scan now. Then hit enter. Guys, it will take some time to complete. After completion of this 100%, just close this window. Then try the second method. Click on this search menu. Then type here memory diagnostic. You can see here Windows memory diagnostic. Click on this. Then click on restart now and check for the problems. After clicking this, your PC will be restarted and it will check for if there is any problem. If it is there, then it will be fixes automatically. After that, come to the third step. The third step is just click on this search menu, then type here msconfig. Click on this system configuration. Click on the services. Just check mark hide all Microsoft services. Then click on disable all. Click on apply. Then click OK. After completion of this, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way, you can fix memory could not be written error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.